So today we are going to discuss about the hospital. We have got medical facilities when we are out at land. We have got doctors, we have got hospitals, we have got big clinics. What about on ship? If somebody get injured or you need some medical assistance, where do we go? So we also have got an hospital on board. So we have just seen an hospital. Let's see how this hospital looks like from inside and what are the belongings inside. Okay, now let's come inside. This is a big door. You can see it's not a normal door. It's a big door so that you can carry some person inside on a stretcher. Okay. Let's come inside now. So first of all, we can see here there is an certificate stating the medical compliance. So you should have a certificate on board which certifies that your hospital has got all the medicines, equipments that are required as per the requirements. So now my friend is here. He's going to tell us little bit brief. He's going to give us some briefing about this hospital, some equipments, what is there inside the hospital.
Yeah, this is basically the hospital which we have on board. So here we have got a bed on which we keep the person who is sick. He can take rest here, and here we have got a call button. This is a call button for the sick person in case he wants to summon somebody. He presses this button and the alarm rings on the bridge.
So wheelhouse is always manned, so if anybody is sick, he can always press and then you will get some attention. Okay.
And after that, we have got the basic first aid kit inside here, and here in this cabinet we have got oxygen bottles. Oxygen bottle which is kept ready for in case of any emergency. If a person needs oxygen resuscitation, this oxygen can be used, cylinder can be used.
It's a big cylinder. So
yeah, it's a big cylinder. And after that, we have got medical cabinets, medical chest here, in which medicines are kept. This is the medical chest, medical cabinet, in which each shelf is labeled, and the inventory includes the name of the shelf in which it is kept, so it is easily accessible. So we have got the medical inventory here, in which it clearly states the ROB, how many medicine, how many tablets we have on board, the date of expiry and the location. So in case of an emergency, we don't have to search for the medicine, we can easily get the medicine from the inventory.
So the medicines are very well organized, and then you're keeping an inventory also. So once your medicine expired, what do we do normally? Like
once the medicine expired, the expired medicines are not supposed to be kept inside the cabinet. It has to be removed from the cabinet, it has to be removed from the inventory, and a new batch of medicines has to be ordered, so that we have got sufficient medicines on board as per the requirement. So the expired medicines, after removing it, we dispose it ashore. We cannot, we have to follow the MARPORT regulations. We cannot throw it at sea. So we have to land it ashore. That is we actually do when we have expired medicines.
So that is how we are dealing with the expired medicines. And what is we have here? So we have got some stretchers. These are the fixed stretchers if you require to use. And we have got Neil Robertson stretcher over here. Okay, so we can use all these things if it is required. We also have got one oxygen concentrator. This was due to the COVID regulations and requirements. So some ships you might find this oxygen concentrator also. Let's see. Can you show us the lavatory also, because there is something special inside?
Yeah. This is the lavatory inside the hospital, in which we have got a bathtub. It is specially provided for the hospital, and in any of other cabins we don't have this bathtub. This is specially for the hospital. And this lavatory is not used by anybody else. It's only used for the hospital purpose when somebody is staying inside the hospital. So this is always kept clean and tidy. It's always ready to use. That is.
So this was a small brief about the hospital. So my friend has very nicely explained us, and we have seen a small hospital, how it looks like on ship. So this is a small brief about the hospital. We also have got a fire sensor here. So in case if there is a fire, so this alarm is going to ring, and then the patient should not get fire. So we have some protection for the hospital also from the fire. So this was all about hospital. So thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for explaining and briefing us about the hospital. And today we have learned a small brief about how the hospital of a ship looks like.